Okay guys, okay. Nagbabalik na naman si Sir Javi guys. Magbibigay tayo ng another example guys ng exponential function. Kung paano mag-solve ng exponential function, okay? Okay, we need to solve the equation. Then, giving the answer in exact form. Pero dito guys, hindi na natin kukunin yung exact form. Magamit lang kayo ng calculator. Kung mayroon kayong calculator guys, dito ituturo ni Sir Javi kung paano i-solve ito. Now, 'di ba, kung mayroon tayong 'di ba? I-determine muna natin kung anong tawag nito. 'Di ba? Ang e dito, ito yung base. Tama, ito yung exponent natin, yung x. Then, yung 6 is constant. So, ang gagawin natin kapag ang base natin is e, 'di ba? Kapag yung base natin is e, lagyan lang natin 'yan ng ln both side, okay? ln e raised to x, then ln 6. Di ba alam naman natin, ln e is equal to 1. So, ln e is 1, so natira is x. So, ang sagot natin, ln 6. Yung value ni x is ln 6. Kapag kunin natin ang exact form yan, that is 1.791759469. Okay? Gamit lang kayo ng calculator guys kapag meron kayong calculator. Next. This one, the same. Yung base natin is e. Lagyan lang yan ng ln. e2x. ln 11. So, cancel out. Ang natira 2x. Then, ln 11. So, divide natin to both sides. So, ang sagot natin sa x is ln 11 over 2. Diba? Napakadali lang guys. Okay. This one, still yung base natin is e. Lagyan lang ng ln. E negative x plus 30, plus 30 naman noon, plus 3 na di ay. Negative x plus 3, then ln 20. So, cancel out. Hindi yan makancel out, ln. Bakit? Ang natira, negative x plus 3, ln 20. So, i-transpose natin yung constant na 3, maging negative yan, negative 3. Then, dapat positive yung x, negative, divide both side negative. So, ang x natin is equal to negative ln 20 plus 3. Okay? Negative ln 20 plus 3. Okay? Negative ln 20 plus 3. Okay? Next. Ito, 3e for x is equal to 1. Dapat e lang yung matira. I-divide muna natin yan by 3. So, e raised to 4x is equal to 1/3. So, this is the time lagyan natin ng ln. Okay? ln e raised to 4x. Then, ln 1/3. So, divide that is ln, right? So, natira 4x. ln 1/3. So, divide natin for both sides. So, ang sagot natin, ln 1/3. 4. Itong ln 1/3 guys, that is property of logarithmic function. For example, ln e over b, that is equal to ln a, lan naman nun, ln a minus ln b. So, pwede natin yan i-simplify. X is equal to ln 1 minus ln 3 over 4. That is still the same. Okay? This one, yung base natin is e. Lagyan natin ng ln. ln e, 2x plus 6 is equal to 3. ln 3, rather. Okay? Huwag kasali si right side. Okay? Cancel out na ito. 2x plus 6. ln 3. So, transpose the constant 6. So, maging negative 6 na yan. Okay? ln 3 minus 6. So, divide natin both sides by 2. So, sagot natin, ln 3 over 2 minus negative 6 divided 2, that is negative 3. Okay? Yung sagot natin, x is equal to ln 3 over 2 minus 3. Dito, lagay lang ln kasi ang base natin is e. 5 minus x. Diba guys? Napakadali lang nito guys. Sa next video natin guys, pahirapan natin ito guys. Pahirapan natin to. Okay? ln 19. So, move yung 5 natin. ln 19 minus 5. So, divide negative 1 para maging positive x na yan. So, ang sagot natin, x is equal to negative ln 19 plus 5. Okay? Okay. Okay, shake. Yun lang. I hope may dadagdag tayo na kalaman sa ating mga students. Shake.